We cannot allow a minority of persons who have committed themselves to living lives of crime and violence. We can't allow them to terrorize our citizens, to traumatize our children, and to hold our communities hostage to fear. We firmly believe that it is for all of us as law-abiding Jamaicans to work together as partners with the members, the JCF and the security forces, and the agencies that are established to promote and preserve lawfulness in our country. We have no choice to, we will overcome the crisis of crime and violence that we face as a country. These are the individuals that we have a duty to lift up so that Jamaica knows that good will prevail over evil. These outstanding public servants courageously serve on the front line of our war against criminality and violence. These are the men and the women who have sworn to serve and protect our people in very challenging and demanding circumstances. We must be steadfast in our commitment to restore the values of discipline, honesty, hard work, and caring that have been the hallmarks of the Jamaican society. These are the values that transcend religious, political, or social labels. These are the values on which we have been nurtured as a people. Values that are essential for the achievement of our goals as individuals, communities, and country.